Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping vehicles of 2025, a luxury motorhome that comes with its very own car garage. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling mansion built for those who want to explore the world in style without ever leaving behind comfort, or their favorite sports car. From the very first glance, this machine commands attention. With its sleek aerodynamic design, massive panoramic windows, and a flawless paint job with custom LED lighting, it's a true masterpiece on wheels. Built on a high-performance chassis, it glides down the road with a level of smoothness you'd expect from a top-tier luxury SUV, even while hauling your dream car underneath. Step inside, and it's like walking into a high-end apartment. You're greeted with Italian leather seating, a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with quartz countertops, and a living area that features a 65-inch pop-up smart TV and surround sound. The lighting is ambient, the climate is fully automated across zones, and everything is connected to a smart control system. Whether you want to dim the lights, adjust the temperature, or set the mood with music, just say the word. The master suite is something you'd expect in a 5-star hotel. A king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, a full walk-in closet, and a spa-style bathroom complete with a rainfall shower, backlit mirrors, and heated floors. It's not just comfortable, it's luxury redefined. But here's the showstopper. At the rear of the motorhome is a fully enclosed hydraulic car garage. It's designed to store a compact car. Think Porsche 911, Mini Cooper, or even a Ferrari Roma. With the touch of a button, the lift lowers, and your car is ready to roll. Whether you're arriving at a mountain resort or a coastal retreat, you've got your favorite ride right there with you. Tech and sustainability are built right in. There's a full solar array, lithium-ion batteries, satellite internet, and 360-degree exterior surveillance. With a 150-gallon freshwater tank and a powerful generator, you can live off-grid for days while enjoying every modern convenience. And driving it? Surprisingly easy. With 600 horsepower under the hood, an automatic transmission, adaptive cruise control, and digital displays throughout the cockpit, this motorhome drives smoother than you'd imagine. Of course, a dream like this doesn't come cheap. The 2025 Fars still starts at around $2.5 million. But for those who want to live life to the fullest, take the road less traveled, and do it all without compromise, it's the ultimate ticket to freedom. So, what do you think? If you had your own luxury RV with a garage, what car would you keep in it? If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. This is Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the future of mobility, one wheel at a time.